Science University, to enlighten your inquisitive mind. BST inks for printed electronics. Barium strontium titanate or BST has been extensively investigated over the last few decades due to its tunable dielectric properties. BST shows a ferroelectric phase below the Curie temperature and a paraelectric phase above the Curie temperature. The dielectric tunability of BST can only be seen at the paraelectric phase. The Curie temperature can be tailored by adjusting the barium molar fraction. So, we adjusted the barium molar fraction of our BST nanoparticles to 0.67 in order to get the paraelectric phase at room temperature. So, what does it mean by the dielectric tunability of BST? It means we can tune the dielectric constant of BST by applying an external electric field. In printed electronics, we print electrically functional inks instead of graphical inks that are used for everyday printing. Unlike conventional electronics fabrication, printed electronics is a direct writing technique, so it can be easily customized. Also, the fabrication cost and complexity as well as the material wastage are extremely low in printed electronics. That's why the demand for printed electronics is growing exponentially. Taking these into consideration, we developed a BST ink for printed electronics. Our patented tunable BST ink consists of BST nanoparticles and several other materials. Our BST ink has a higher dielectric constant as well as a very low loss tangent and a higher dielectric tunability at radio frequencies. After printing, this ink is cured at around 150 Celsius, a temperature that is compatible with most flexible and low-cost substrates as well as fabrics. This BST ink can be used to print a wide range of tunable radio frequency devices. So, in the near future, you might see electronic devices fabricated with our BST inks. It could be a simple wearable electronic device or a complex conformal antenna of a fighter jet. Thank you for watching this video. If you like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.